Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix laptop PC camera not working Windows 11. To start, we open Settings from Start. Now we will go to the section Privacy and Security. After this, open the option Camera. There, validate that the switch, Camera Access, is enabled and in the same way the different switches of the available apps. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.